Howdy, I had a whole intro lined up for you. We've got a 95 E36 M3 that I'm very excited to drive, as you can see there, but my filming and audio were way off, and there goes my iPhone. Anyways, 1995 US spec neutered S50 B30 powered E36 M3. It's definitely in a shape. As you can see, the license plate is eyesore, so this car is kind of a meme. In terms of how it looks as you see here, okay. However, don't let that deter you. This car runs very well. We don't know what's done to it. Kumho, the new owner, bought it this way. We can only ascertain that everything has been done to this car because it's pretty much a race car. We're gonna take it out and show you what's up. Let's go. Ooh, wow. That shifter is a little floppy, but you know these BMWs and floppy shifters. Ooh, that motor is punchy. It's my first time driving a car with aero. Wow. This thing sounds the business, bro. Not bad, the heel toe. Iron block straight six, man. Sounds so good. Wow, this thing is great. It is everything you think an E36 should be, a race car. Everything's so tactile. Oh, got a little goofy. This feels really good, y'all. We got aero, I gotta remember that. We got aero. We have the aero, we gotta stay in the corners. Even though the pedals are like way the hell up here, it's not bad to heel and toe. So we get a little rotation. It just grips. Oh, and then there's some understeer as I say that. Pushing it. There's that aerodynamic understeer. It's just a theatrical experience. That's what I love about BMW race cars, is they're just so theatrical. Such a great car. Wow, this is fun. Steering's great. Brakes are great. Throttle response is great too. Oh, and then I got to push. Just rotated nicely. Grip up, baby, grip up. It'll rotate under initial steering touch. I'm having so much fun in this car. It's not particularly fast, but man, it's just such a pure driving experience. experience. I'm barreled on the throttle in third right here, and it is just like trying to grip the best you can. Let's see if I can get a rotate on the front. Let off throttle to rotate a little bit. Let the ascent kind of come up just a bit, and it'll do it. Woo, coming in real hot in that. That was fun. Locked up the rear end a little bit. That was my fault. Temperatures were good, gasoline good. Yeah, you can just push this car and it's very docile. So much fun. Oh, that ascent right there wants to step out. That is fun. Uh-oh. Yeah, something's bogging down, so we're gonna just, it's bogging down on cornering, so I wonder if it's kind of low on gas. We're just gonna pull it in. I do not want to be stuck on the track, but dude, awesome car. Canoe again with having just like really cool like just fines. So this motor, just to tell you, it's been de-stroked because it was money shifted, so it was rebuilt. There is no money shifting it's a non-interference build now, which is great. Man, this is fun. It just talks to you, man. I love E36 because they are like the pinnacle. And just like that. That was a blast. I'm cheesing because I was just having a good time. Like this is all the senses right here. Again, it's not crazy fast, but it is so much fun. So comfortable too. Straight chilling here. Could chill here all day, but my back's sweating, so I got some back sweat. I need to get out of here. As much as I talk shit about BMWs, I just love these cars so much. Earlier, the front splitter was kind of messed up a bit, and I'll show you all that. Basically what happened is it went mowing some lawns and bent the front splitter down. But overall, I mean, it gripped up really well. Sometimes when I got on the throttle a little bit earlier, it did want to keep pushing forward when I'm trying to go the other way. But I think that's just because we have this ridiculous wing on the back that is just pulling us down, taking front load grip off of the fronts, and then you get understeer, and it is what it is. But it wasn't that bad. It was very, very good. Good mitigation. I hope I didn't F anything up too bad, but this is the testament right here. Getting out of here. E36 M3. Awesome car. As you can see, this guy does not, it's not supposed to look like this. This does not, yeah. That could have been attributing to a little bit of the push mid-corner when I got back on the throttle because it's not doing its job. Who knows? I mean, aero is aero. That was my first time driving a car with aero. It's great. 129.8 was my fastest time. Definitely on a good day, this guy would probably do about a 127. It's not particularly fast, but it is extremely manageable. Communicates everything. Chassis is what it is. As you know, for E36s, they're a lot better than an old 90s JDM chassis. I'll say that. My thing is, everyone wants old JDM 90s chassis. Just get one of these. Do yourself a favor, get one of these. They're much better engineered, and if you have a problem with that, fight me in the comments. I don't give a shit. These are just better. Pop the hood. You'll see the subframe is way up towards you, where you can have nice engine swaps sitting back against the firewall. I'm gonna go on a tangent, but I'm not. Just get an E36. They're awesome cars. Doesn't matter if it's 318, M3, they're awesome cars. Just get one. Hopefully I'll have one again one day. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.